One of the easiest, most foolproof looks that anyone can go to is a soft, gentle brown on the eyes, a little bit of smudginess, maybe a little shimmery. Fill in your brows just a bit, a really creamy, moisturizing, whatever your skin tone kind of color is on the lips, and a flush of color on the cheek. So simple. So I'm doing this on myself, so my coloring lends itself to using this little pot of soot, as they call it, from Ritual Delphi, and this is Golden Age. I love this shade. Okay, so here's a suggestion that I have. Since it's such a large container, it doesn't look large, but there's so much product in there. I would suggest that you buy this and then empty out half of it into another container and give it to a friend, because you won't get through this. Unless you wear it every single day, you won't get through it until it goes bad. At least that's my 2 cents. So taking a dome-shaped brush, pressing it in along the lash line. It's a hard, literally hard, not difficult, but hard product. So you kind of have to mush your brush into it. And this isn't one that you need to wet. Actually, I've never wet it. I wonder what would happen. But you really don't get any fallout from it, since it is like a cake, essentially. So just something so super simple, right? Just a little added definition to the eye. Oops, I'm losing eyelashes. So that when I'm standing up in front of a bunch of people, and some of them are in the back row, they can still see my eyes. I mean, even if you were just going to work and no one saw you, this would be the super simple, nice, polished look of the day. Easy to do. Put it on in 3 minutes. You can time me. Whoops, it's already 2. Whoops. Okay, and then maybe just a little bit underneath for more added definition. I've already got my mascara on from the day. I will not touch it, and it has not budged. Okay, so that was just a little something extra. You're never going to see me showing you, like, 15-step makeup applications. I'm into very minimal, make what you're putting on impactful, and get out of the mirror. Okay, so then I'm going to take this product from Jane Iredale. It's called Gold, and it's a cream eyeshadow. It's also really easy to use. I'll be using my finger. I'm just going to press it into the middle. Gives a little more highlighty effect. And just blend it into your whole lid. You can bring a little into the inner corner. Nothing about this is too perfect, too precious. But it sure is pretty. So pretty. All right, moving on to my eyebrows. I'm going to fill them in just a bit. I'm really liking this Burt's Bees pencil. It's blonde. It's just enough definition so that I have a little something there. I always start at the outer edge, not here. I mean, some of you are going to look great with those really intense, crazy eyebrows that are a sharp angle right in here, but most people are not. So start right around the arch with very soft strokes and then bring it in. And this part you could fill in with a powder and an angled brush, or very, very softly with a pencil. And I always go back, no matter if you have super blonde brows or really dark, I always go back in with my finger and mess it up, and then I'll take either my finger again or a cotton swab and create an edge along the top. So that just gave me a little something extra. It exaggerates that this side of my face is lower than the other, but it is what it is. Okay, so there we go. Finally, a really moisturizing lipstick. This one I love, from Lily Lolo. It's super moisturizing, and this shade is extremely pale. It's called Demure, and it kind of finishes this outfit look. And no surprise, I'm going to put it on my cheeks. You could do the equivalent of this look if you have very deep complexion with your skin tone color lipstick and the same soot shadow and the gold cream shadow that I mixed on top. Be gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. This works with almost every coloring, truly almost every coloring. You might want to go a touch darker on the eyes for some skin tones, but overall, I think that's perfect. Hair up? Not sure. You should try this. Bye.